So yes guys, what is happening and welcome back. Today, as you guys can see, we've got an Alfa Romeo Mito. So if you guys watched the last video when we were doing a review on the Alfa Romeo, this is Dave's car. He's back on the channel getting a little POV, but unfortunately the weather's a bit wet today. But like I said, if you guys watch that video, you guys all know. Car stage 1 pushing 200 brake, which obviously in a light car like this is quick. It's a 1.4 litre as well. But as you guys can see, just to give you some visual kind of like a little insight of what the car's like. Not too much done to it. I do believe it's running on EBC green stuff pads, drilled and grooved discs. But yeah, it's got an exhaust on there as well, and I will start that up and obviously show you guys what that sounds like. Start it up, as you guys can see as well. Sounds really good, man. Look at that. Just give it a little tap as well for you guys so you can hear. It's got like a nice little blow up sound as well. But yeah, like as I said, all the sounds are there. It's a really nice car. Like I said, we have reviewed this before and I have drove this, and it's pretty quick for what it is. It's a nice little light car, a bit underrated as well. You don't really see much of them, but like I said, we're going to give you guys a POV today, get on some nice roads. It is a bit wet as well, so like I said, I ain't going to be sending it too much, just kind of give you guys a little feel of what it's like. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and like I said, if you haven't watched the last video that we did on this, make sure you watch that because we did do a review on this as well. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a second. So guys, we're in the Mito now, as you guys can see. I'm going to take you guys on some nice roads. We're not going to do anything too much though, because obviously the roads are a bit wet today. We're not going to send it too much. Just going to give you guys a bit of a feel really. Nothing too crazy.
Brakes are quite sharp, isn't it? Yeah, much sharper than the standard Brembos. So I changed them to green stuff, EBC green stuff pads. Yeah, just stock Brembo. Yeah. Brembo pads and discs. But they faded quite bad upon heavy braking, so I was like, yeah, these need upgrading.
I know you like sending it as well, and it's,
I love sending it.
You need some good brakes, man.
No, I took it off. It caused me long-term issues. Like I couldn't use the dynamic mode.
Oh shit! Okay. You said in the last video you had this car on the dyno, didn't you?
Yeah.
200 brake. You said it was
200.
Yeah. How much did this come standard then?
170.
170. Yeah. Still good games, man. Still good game. Plus you got to think the car's light as well, guys. So
it is. It
does kind of get off quite well, man.
Pulls strong. 1.4. It pulls strong, 0 to 60s, but it's quite a little bit slower on the top end though. Like 100, 200 took 20 seconds when I tried it.
What's your 0 to 60 time on this?
So they vary. So on my brother's Draggy, which is actually in the car, it did a 7.2, but it wasn't on a good piece of road that I could find. It wasn't fully dry.
You had it quicker than that last time when we
yeah,
did 6.5.
Did 6.5 on like this and this on my phone. But I got to keep doing them to try and get a good, well prepped bit of road. 100%.
And obviously, like on the type of roads we are on, guys, it's like fun, isn't it? Like it's kind of what these cars are made for, like, you know, going on these type of side roads, having fun. But it's all about keeping it safe as well, guys. So remember just to stay in the limits, innit? Innit, Dave?
Yep. Don't want to kill all three of us. I'll still show you. It's still fun to drive in the rain.
Yeah, of course, man. I mean, you've got what tyres have we got on this as well?
P0s. P00.
Pirelli Zeros, isn't it?
Yeah. Down this road, wet or dry, it's alright. Please do.
I know you was holding back there. Usually you'd be fucking sending that over.
I send it through this.
Yeah.
It's
You're holding it. I know. I can tell you're holding back. But it's just because of the roads and how
Yeah.
it's just a bit dangerous. But fuck me, man. Got the little overruns as well, haven't you?
yeah. I'm hoping the pops aren't too loud for the sound test.
Nah.
For the
They are louder in the back though.
absolutely. Yeah. Agreed. Nah, come on, don't be scared. It's alright. We'll be fine.
Too much, bro. You can't realise the roads are wet. Fuck it, that was steady.
Oh my god. Steady, bro.
Steady, steady, bro. Steady, bro. Take it easy. Did you feel it like spin out and bend a bit there?
Yeah, that was a little bit sideways, mate. That's all the fun. Love it.
What is it got a badge on that?
I don't know.
That's not an M1355.
That's not.
Does it say M1355?
It does.
M1355.
What the fuck?
Is that real? Is that even a model?
It's not an M1355 though.
Nah.
He's just put the M in front of it, but it's a 135i.
That's 300 brake though.
So it's
And that's a
eight-
small car.
So steady.
At least the range stopped.
Yeah, that's the only thing there. Steady. Steady, steady. Take it easy, bro. Bro, it's hard in the passenger seat, you know.
Yeah.
It's hard. As a driver, you don't really feel it, innit? Like, you know, when you sit in the passenger, you're like, fuck.
Scary, man. So scary.
That was a nice little run there.
It was.
It's quick, man.
It goes.
It goes, man. It's light as well, isn't it?
It is,
That's the
yeah.
thing. How much torque have you got on this?
320 newton meters.
It's great, that is, you know. Can't feel it, man. 100%. The driver you are, Dave. I'm telling you.
A scary one.
Driver Dave. This is the new Driver Dave, guys. Driver Dave.
Alright guys, that's the end of the Dave POV in the Mito Cloverleaf. Unfortunately it was wet and we couldn't quite send it as I had intended, but we still had a bit of fun anyway.
Yeah,
Bit of wheel spin, bit of
100%.
sliding, can't help it.
Yeah, nice little car. Like as I said, guys, we did do a review on this as well, so make sure you guys check that out as well. We'll put Dave's Instagram description as well, so make sure you guys go drop him a follow. We'll get this car back on actually when the weather's a bit better, it picks up. But right now, like I said, it's been raining and it ain't really been good. But yeah, nice little spin, Dave. Good seeing you as always, bro, man.
And you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Nah, it's all
back
good,
on the
bro.
channel.
That's it, man. We'll see you again, bro.
Yep,
Take it
definitely.
easy, guys. Thank you. Make sure to drop us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.